What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back. Another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. Guys, you can see I got the hood popped on red. Y'all know I like to work on my truck myself, but this video should be a pretty easy one, guys. And shout out to one of you all, I can't remember who, for commenting on this. When my check engine light came on the truck not too long ago, a lot of y'all say, hey bro, check your mass airflow sensor. Sometimes it does tend to get clogged up or just need to be cleaned. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I do have a 2015 3.5 EcoBoost here, guys, F150. If I recall correctly, my truck comes with 3 sensors. Usually there's one somewhere in the intake. I'm not gonna worry about that one because I just had my whole intake done, you know, not too long ago. The other two, one is right here, and this is a T20, I believe. And then the other one is here, 7mm, I believe. I'm just gonna focus on those two today. I did go ahead and remove my cover. If you do have a cover, yeah, you have to remove the cover, and it's underneath there. And what I'm gonna clean those with is, boom, right here. CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner, evaporation second. It says proven to gain 4 to 10 wheel horsepower and increase MPG and fuel economy. Oh yeah, shout out to another one of you. You emailed me, bro. I ain't got my phone with me to look it up real quick, but he told me about this stool right here. Got it from Walmart. I'll tag it below. It's perfect, guys. You literally just, I step up on this thing and it gives me plenty of access to the bay of my truck because my truck is lifted. It has always been super hard to work in my engine bay, but with this, yes, I can reach it here now. Super easy. So thank you, bro, for sending me this. I appreciate it. I actually did buy it, and if it holds me, I'm 290 some pounds, it should be able to hold you too. Man, thank God for this stool, bro, because I don't know if I would have been able to reach this low key. Got it out. I'm not sure if y'all can see there. It's not dirty at all, actually. I'm just gonna leave it like this, guys. I'm not gonna remove it completely, but you don't see the little white tip in there? That's what you're cleaning. You don't want to stick anything in there, guys. Got my spray. I'm just gonna blast it here. Yeah, you probably don't want to do yours this way, guys. Actually, probably don't recommend it doing it that way because kind of just made a mess. I got stuff running everywhere. Let me clean it up. Hold on. Do this one right here. It is a T20, guys. I'm doing the closest one to me right now. All right, got the first bolt. Here's the sensor already unscrewed. You just take this and kind of wiggle it out. And there it is. That one looks pretty clean, actually. So you can unplug this, but what I decided to do, I just put a shop towel underneath it here. I'm taking it here, I'm just gonna blast this for about 5 seconds. Cool. So I got it right there, as y'all can see. Got my other one sitting right there. So I'm gonna give it about 30 minutes or so, let those dry off, and then we just go put them back. In the meantime, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and empty my JLT cash can because I know it needs to be emptied out. So get this off. See how much oil we got in here. Oh, we got a pretty good bit of oil in here, guys. Go ahead and show y'all there really quick. Not sure if y'all can see. Where's the sun? Can y'all see that? Pretty sure y'all can. We got a pretty good oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump this, clean it up, place it back, and then we're gonna let our stuff dry. So I'll come back on when I'm putting everything back together. Okay, guys, so it's now been about, it hasn't been 30 minutes, it's been a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the sensors back now. I did read, however, that you should be cleaning these or checking these every time you change your air filter is what it says. So thankfully, y'all can see mine are pretty clean. I'm not sure if the oil catch can here played a part in that. I don't think so. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back now. After we finish, there's one more step we gotta do, which is you have to reset the keep alive memory. And you can do that by either unplugging your battery while you do this process, or doing it with your tuner kit, which is what I have. So that's what I'm gonna choose to do. On there. Cool. And that is done. I'm just gonna go ahead and clear my keep alive memory here. So this is my SCT scanner device that I use to upload my MPT tunes. I did tons of videos on it. Go back, I'll try to post a card or a link or something like that. So I'm gonna go down here to vehicle functions, I believe. I'm gonna go to special functions, continue, and I'm looking for cam, keep alive memory reset. So we'll go ahead and reset that. Turn key on, okay, continue, it's already on. It says turn key off. So we go turn the key off, and yeah, that's it. Exit. So it's cleared. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start the truck to make sure everything is good. Let's start it up. Oh, there we go. They're like, you want to start up. It's first. Might just take a circle around the block here really quick, just to make sure everything is good. probably won't be able to notice much difference because I'm not gonna be able to get up to like speeds or anything. Thankfully, my sensors look to be pretty clean. I seen some video where God's sensors were freaking dirty, bro. Quick, easy job, and y'all know me. If I can do it, y'all can do it, because I do not like to work on my truck. I do not like to do anything under the hood if I can avoid it. I hit 100,000 miles too, so I'm pretty sure it was time for that to be done. Anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next one, baby.